Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Sunday. Sunday we don't have newspaper, daily newspaper. So I've decided to continue with yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, February the 6th, 2021. We have here one Sudoku with one star, one Sudoku with two stars, a binary puzzle, and a tectonic puzzle. So a total of four extra Sudokus. Those Sudokus are left because yesterday I have made the other Sudokus. 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. Yes, but I will continue with the rest of the Sudokus today. All right. And this one will be number 2288. Let me count the printed digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 19, plus 3, 22, plus 5, 27. Correct. The One Star Sudoku has always 27 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in this big square. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have the 1 and the 5 here in this column, so no 1 and the 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. 1 digit left should be the 7. Alright. I cannot fill this yet. The 1 and the 5. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in those 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then. All right. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 1 in this row, first row 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 1 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there one, no one there. Here one, no one there. The only place for the one should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number one. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 5. Oh, I made a mistake here. Yeah, we already have a 5 there. So this one, I need to make a correction. Well. Okay, this is not correct. Apologies. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only place for a 2 should be there. Then. How about 7? 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place for a 7 should be there. 2, 3, 4, and 6 and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Sorry, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 8 and the 9. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2, 3, 7. Alright. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now in the middle column we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this big square. So no 7 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. The 7 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers in this column should be the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 2. No, 2 we have here. 8 is missing. 8 is missing. Okay. All right. 2 numbers left in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9 in the first row. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, wait, yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for a 3 should be there, and all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 2 should be there, and all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. All right. Then how about this number in this big square? One missing number in this big square for the number 4. 4 is missing. All right. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 9. And then 1 number left in this column for the number 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 7. Then how about the 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 5, number 4. All right. 1 number left in this last row for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Then 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. One number left in this big square for the number 8. 8 is missing. One number left in the third column for the number 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku with 1 star. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the second Sudoku with 2 stars in the additional. So, bye-bye for now.